Hey, what's up? It's Mike Icee. Today we're gonna replace this thing right here, how to replace the armrest / center console lid on a Mercedes W212 E350 E-Class. We're gonna go step by step. I have the old unit here and I have the new unit here. So let's go back in time and I'm gonna show you how to do it step by step, GoPro style. Okay, you see that right there? So today we're gonna replace this whole unit. It's actually pretty damn easy. Hopefully you guys can see pretty good because I'm doing this with my GoPro. Okay, in and down. Okay, now to tackle this part right here, these flaps, it's really easy. Okay, you see these holes right here, one here, one here. Hey, what's up? It's Mike Icee. Before we continue, if you could just slam that like button, I'd really appreciate it. There you go. Next, remove the springs. Next, close it. After the spring is removed, you simply pull out the rod. And now you're ready to replace them. Simply slide it in. Okay, that comes right off. Okay, now we got to do the same with the new replacement flaps. So first thing you have to do is open it. When it's open, it's a lot easier to undo this spring. Where'd the pliers go? Once you have the replacement in, simply slide it in. All right, put this back on. Hey, what's up guys? It's Mike Icee.
Thank you for watching. Congratulations, you have made it to the end of the video.